Do pouring rights restrict choice? Will your guests revolt if they can't get that Diet Coke or that Pepsi product specifically? We really don't find that to be true. Watching the Super Bowl a few weeks back in Las Vegas, I was thinking about this. If I was flying in on a JetBlue flight, that's a Pepsi pour. I'd be looking down at the Sphere. It's also Pepsi. I head over to Allegiant Stadium. Now Coke. If I'm staying at a Hilton property, that's also Coke. Marriott is Pepsi, and never mind the differences between each restaurant I go to. So your guests, they're accustomed to making these choices depending on where they are, just in their normal day-to-day life. So we really don't see any sort of lashback from choosing one beverage company or the other. What we do find is building a strong relationship with your beverage provider, increases sales and gives you the resources to do exactly what you do best and, give that customer experience that your guests appreciate. And that's really what's going to stick with them.